I also want to thank, as I said, Mayor Bani Kroumbie, thank you. Kaisar Dar Sahab, thank you.
And Irfan Malak.
Next is him. Thank you so much, Irfan Malik Sahab.
Thank you, sir.
I thank you, the Judge Association of Canada for the cooperation, and Aziz Chaudhry Sahab, thank you. Baljeet Sahab, thank you so much.
Very good.
Thank you. Colonel Sahab, Colonel Yahya Sahab, Mirza Sahab, Mirza Naseem Sahab, Kaisar Nواز Sahab. His father was so popular in Mississauga, and he was a political figure too, and he was best friend of mine, and he has the same name like me. We met with him at my place. The last time I met with him at my place, so I miss him, and thank you so much for coming. Uncle Dilaver, thank you so much coming with your all kids. Zafar Chaudhry Sahab, Mahmood Mia Sahab. I'm sorry if I am missing, but in general, thank you so much everyone for coming tonight and making this event successful and memorable. And also, I'd like to share that first of all, the request, please vote. Please make sure you all vote and your families. And also, we need your support and donation. If we want to support our mayor, so we have to donate. I have the link. If anyone doesn't have the link and doesn't know, so I can send the link to you guys. So please, just be generous and support her. We need mayor. We want her to continue. So thank you so much for being us tonight. Thank you so much.